Hi everyone, this is Wayne. I've got this remote wireless switch I'm installing under the behind the spotlight, and it's already powered up, and it's got this on-off switch here. And this will simply tuck up into the junction box where there's plenty of room for it. And these wires will be up there also. Sorry. And then I'll mount the switch down here on the wall. It'll be just like anything else. So that'd be real cool. And you can get them here. Bye now. Okay folks, here we are. Got it all installed. It's looking good. Excuse the hole in the ceiling, had to get the wire there somehow. And we're going to use this wireless switch. Boom. And there we go. That's it shining. Shining down on some of our decorative stuff. And switch it off, switch it on, switch it off. It's a beautiful thing. Thanks. Bye now.